today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, you keep going down here. So then you come here to show SMS text content directly. You click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show SMS text content directly enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.